Hi everyone, I'm Elijah D. Welcome to Music Greatness. This is 800 and for today's lesson we have The Way by Ariana Grande featuring Mac Miller. Sounds just like this. Okay, for this entirely free lesson, I'm going to break down the little bit that we have for the intro and that we can also hear at the beginning of the chorus. And also the main riff. That we have throughout the entire song. So, starting with the intro. We're playing in the key of A flat. And the first chord here is A flat major at 6. A flat and E flat for the left. F and C for the right. Then still playing on A flat, I'm going to go to B flat up here on my left and play on my right E flat and B flat. So the bass is still on A flat, but we're going to play this shortly following the melody line. And then we have this movement starting on E flat. So with my fourth finger on my right, I'm playing E flat. Then very quickly, I'm going to play through D and D flat and then land on C with my thumb. And landing on C, I'm going to play F minor 7. On the left, F, A flat, C, and E flat. And we have just this for the intro. So again, we have E flat major at 6. Then go up on your left, play B flat. E flat and B flat on your right. Then this movement starting on E flat. Going down on F minor 7. Just like so. Sorry. So that's what we're going to play for the intro, and remember that we have the exact same pattern at the beginning of the chorus. So now we have the main riff. Let's start with this. A flat major 9. I'm playing A flat on my left, B flat and G, so the 9th and the major 7 on my right. And before landing on that chord, I play this. So C with my thumb, then E flat alone, then I played both C and A flat, using my 5th finger on A flat, then landed on A flat major 9. So you have your second finger on B flat and your pinky on G. Going to B flat minor 7. Simply B flat for the left. D flat and A flat on your right. Still playing D flat and A flat on your right. You're going to go up on your left hand and play E flat. And now you're playing E flat 11. landing back on A flat, playing A flat major 7. A flat, C and G, the major 3rd and the major 7. Now we're going to go up on C, playing C major, simple triad, C on your left, C, E and G for your right. Then we're going to keep the same chord for the right hand and go up on the left, playing E, so the major 3rd. And that's our passing chord to go to F minor. F for the left, C, F and A flat for the right. From here we're going to repeat the whole thing and play A flat major 9, B flat minor 7, going to E flat 11, then A flat major 7, and now before playing C major, I'm going to add this on my left. So I played B flat first with my 3rd finger, went up on B natural, and then I played C. Then I'm going to replay C, and this time playing with my right hand. Then play C major over E, going to F minor. And that's for the main riff. Just repeat that same pattern. A flat major 9, B flat minor 7, E flat 11, going to A flat major 7. Then directly go to C, C over E, F minor, and then repeat A flat major 9, B flat minor 7, E flat 11, A flat major 7, and now we have this bass line before going to C, C over E, and F minor. And now for the playing pattern, basically we're going to play one time on A flat major 9, then B flat minor 7 one time, E flat 11 one time also, and we're going to double our A flat major 7. Then play C once, C over E once, and double F minor. It goes like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Okay, now let's replay it at full speed. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and know that you can also check out my other lessons on my website, musicgreatness.com. As always guys, thank you for watching. If you love the content, leave a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you next week for another Hot 100.